Hi, welcome back to the PiPhi Network YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be going over creating our first user, and that is our super user. The super user is the master controller. It'll have control over your smart home setup and configurations. After creating your super user, you can then create other users with different roles and permissions. Let's get started. When you first install the PiPhi Network software, you'll be presented with this screen. On this screen, you can get started with creating your super user. You can click these buttons below, which one will open a new tab that will have an extensive guide on how to add custom apps, integrations, and add-ons. Or, if you need assistance, you can join our Discord channel. Let's get started creating our user. So first, we're going to click Create My Smart Home. I'm now presented with a form where I need to enter a name, a username, and a password. So let's fill out that information. Once I'm done filling out the information, I click Create Account. Now we see our user has been successfully created and we are redirected to our overview dashboard. We'll talk about this dashboard more extensively in our next video. Thanks for tuning in. This is PiPhi Kel. Goodbye for now.